Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And well, I did this for fashion shot on when I was in art school. Pretty good shooting, huh? I like one of the best one, I think, color-wise, expression-wise. Well, and I'm gonna make something different image from this. I don't know, like oil paint look like. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna first of all, I'm gonna duplicate this layer. Then I'm gonna turn this base image, turn down to keep it. Then I'm gonna, well, sort of smudging type. Use the oil paint brush from here. Not watercolor this time. Oil paint round. Go here. Now convert to pixel layer. Then let's see from outside. What? This is too small. Okay. Now paint mix about 60 or so. Then no paint, no color, just texture of this smudging type. Just check the brush texture. It's, yes, mix up to the next, paint next. Okay, that's cool. There's a 35mm frame outside, black, huh? Pretty much grainy, like a Sarah Moon type image, like, I don't know. More green, but I'm gonna mix up with this oil paint brush so we won't see the grains. Let's see. Well, this is outside, so make it bigger. Much bigger. I want to see this little texture of the color. There's a big pot just behind of her. I don't want to lose these details. Real subtle detail. Now I want to go the other side too. Let's see, make it small. How about oil paint glaze to get some texture? Yeah, it shows more interesting. Interesting texture, isn't it? I don't know if you can see this. Interesting. Well, I hope you guys see this texture here, like a really oil paint type. Well, now gotta touch inside the face. That's difficult. I think it's not that easy. Well, let's try. Well, make it smaller, then just get texture of the eyebrow. Well, change the brush or paint filbert. That's, I think, soft touch. Well, almost done. Okay, now I'm going to turn this pencil drawing type image on. Then let me see. Change blend mode to see what's going to happen. Color burn. About 40, maybe 50. Yeah, that's cool. Well, that's pretty cool. Maybe 40 is fine. Okay. The density of the base image is so nice, and about frame. I'm gonna move this empty layer, go top, all the way top. Then, how about short? Let's see. Yeah, this is fine. Well, just get the oil paint brush texture on the paint on photograph, and also the different expression from this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to get this kind of image. Well, that's it for today, And thank you for watching my video. And well, I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea to make your own creative work. And you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.